So now I'm gonna be making the legs from that 2-foot piece that was left over, right? There's different ways of making legs, man, but what I like to do is I like to measure out 20 inches, right? 20 inches because I like my legs to be 20 inches. Now, if it were like an 8-foot board, maybe I'd do the full 24. But for this case, 20 inches for me is fine. And then so I'm doing 20 inches vertically, 20 inches horizontally. So this is gonna be my piece right here. Not sure if you can see that I'm gonna make 2 legs out of. So when making these legs, once again, this is 20 by 20. I go 3.5 on this side, and then 3.5 this way. You'll see why in a second. And then I do 10, which is half of the 20 mark. So now, at my 10-inch mark on each side, I'm gonna scroll to where it says 3.5. And then I'm gonna make a line across. So mark the 3.5. And then same on this side. I'm gonna mark 3.5. All right, 3.5 is right there. I'm gonna go up. Now you'll see why I'm gonna do this. Now over here on the bottom, where I marked 3.5, I'm gonna line it up. Boom, make a line across down, and up here on the top, where I marked 3.5, up there, I'm gonna make a line going down. And the point of this line, you'll see in a second. So the point of these lines is this is where I'm gonna cut through. That's gonna be one of my legs, that's gonna be another. So this is gonna be the long piece of my leg. This is gonna be the center of both legs. This is gonna be the edge. You'll see when I cut it out. So once I made my cuts, this is what it looks like, right? 2 legs. And then I'm gonna add a piece here, so that way when you open the legs, it sits on it. And then I'm gonna add a piece here, and then on my backdrop, I'm gonna add 2 pieces this